Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to use WPRemote, which helps with managing multiple WordPress websites. Say if you're an agency or if you have multiple WordPress websites under management. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. So WPRemote is a website management tool that allows you to manage multiple WordPress websites under one dashboard. So this is useful if your business has multiple websites or if you're an agency that manages websites for multiple clients. So this is a premium plugin. So there is a monthly or yearly charge. So first let's have a look at that. And if you click the link in the description, you'll get a discount code for 20%. So we'll go here into pricing and you get a slight discount based on the amount of sites that you have under your management. So over here in the monthly plan, it starts at $29 a month. And if you go yearly, you'll get a discount as well. So you'll get about 2 months free if you upgrade to the yearly billing. So we can check what value WPRemote offers here. So again, you're able to manage the sites under one dashboard compared to having to log into each website one by one to do the updates. And also you get automatic backups, which is essential for website maintenance, as you don't know if your website gets hacked or if you make a mistake that breaks your website. So backups are a crucial part of website maintenance, as well as uptime monitoring and performance checks. So this affects your conversions and the user experience. And you also get client reports, which you can send to your clients and provide more value. And they also have client reports, which you can send to your clients so they get an overview of how their website is doing and what have you been doing for them within the website maintenance plan. Okay, and you also get personalized support. So if there's anything wrong with the website, say if you get hacked or if there's technical issues, then you can contact WPRemote support team. Okay, and if you want more features over here, then you can upgrade your plans accordingly. So in the Plus plan, they introduce malware removal and firewall. So that's essential for website security. But you can start with the $29 plan here and just install an alternate security plugin that offers free firewall and malware like WordPress. But if you want an all-in-one solution, then you can check out their more premium plans and move up level within their feature set here. Okay, and again, if you add more sites, then you get a bigger discount. Okay, so now we have an overview of the pricing. Let's create an account and add a website. Okay, so you can click the link in the description or click sign up here. And in my case, I already have an account, so I'll click login. Okay, so I'll just add in a website. So when you log in, it'll look like this. So add site. Okay, and I'll just use this test website here. So you just copy the URL and then paste and continue. So you can auto install the plugin by entering your credentials, or you can just install it manually. So I'll install it manually right now. Okay, so I'll download the plugin here. Okay, and then we'll add this to our website. So go back into your dashboard and go into plugins and add new. Okay, and then go up here into upload plugins and just upload their plugin file here and install now. Okay, great. So I already have this installed, but if you don't have it installed, then this won't show. So I'll just replace the current with the uploaded. Okay, great. So it's been installed. So go into that plugin now. So it's just down here on the sidebar. We can go into Blog Vault. Okay, and then it's connected here already. So I'll just disconnect it and reconnect. Okay, and then just enter your email again. And then this will connect the plugin to your account. So again, you want to make sure you have an account first and click submit. Okay, great. So now it's connected to the website here. So we can check our sites. And if you go over here, you can just bypass this by going to test plugin. And now it's just going to check that the plugin has been uploaded. Great. So now it's connected. We can initiate the sync. Okay, and then I'll just give you a timeline here on how long the website will take to fully sync. So I'll come back to the video once this is completed. Okay, great. So the sync has been completed. So go to site overview. Great. So we can see what's available here. So it gives you an overview of your website, as well as all the plugins that need to be updated. So we can do that all within the dashboard here. So if you just select all the plugins here and you can click update. and then I'll let you know the risk of each plugin. Okay, and then we can click next. And then I'll just update all the plugins. You can also do save updates. So I'll do a backup of the website first, but I'll just do a regular update. So click update. Okay, now it's doing all the updates directly within the WPRemote dashboard. Okay, great. So all the plugins have been updated. So we can go back to the dashboard and we can refresh. And I give you the notifications here on what has been done to the website. So you can also turn on auto updates here. So this will update all the plugins automatically. But again, you should be careful with this, as if something breaks during the update, you won't be able to respond quickly. So I would recommend doing it while you're able to check on the updates right after, just in case. You can schedule the time here if you know it's within your working hours. Okay, and then over here you can add team members, so you can allow site access to your other clients or to your staff members if you're an agency. As well as over here, you can add clients directly. So you can give them direct access to their WPRemote dashboard just for their website. So great. So this is just an overview of the WPRemote software. So it helps you maintain all your WordPress websites under one account. So this helps with efficiency, and it also helps with backups and malware and performance, which is premium features that you can charge your clients extra for if you're an agency. So I would recommend WPRemote for those who manage multiple WordPress websites and are looking for an all-in-one solution for maintaining the updates and security and performance. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to learn more about WPRemote and how it can benefit your business. Again, you can click the link in the description to get 20% off. And if you're looking for help with your WordPress or any other web development projects, then you can contact me at mapletmedia.ca. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.